Hey, I'm Sharon. I'm in the Prima booth with Finnabair's new products, and I want to show you a cool technique using unicorn paste. So what I have here is just Prima's watercolor paper, and I did white on top. It's just the regular paper, and I added black gesso to the bottom. And the reason is because the unicorn paste has some magical ability to give you two different end results. So I'm using one of her new stencils, just laying it over here. I'm going to grab the unicorn paste, and inside it is, we're just going to mix it up, and we're going to take a bit out and spread it on here. It is really glimmery. It's gorgeous. I think the name alone, just, you know, it's going to be a beautiful product. You're going to want to add this paste to your projects. You can use it with a stencil, but you don't have to. You can certainly just brush it on, and you'll see how beautiful it is brushed onto one of our molded pieces. Do you see how it adds that sparkly, glimmery effect? It's iridescent and it catches the light. That's what the thing is. This is a light catcher, and if you catch the light, you catch people's attention. So I have it pretty much spread out, and what we're going to do is now lift up this stencil, and then you'll see how it looks. Look at that! Two totally different effects on the white versus the black gesso, and it looks a bit opaque right now. So when it dries, watch this. Look at that. The effect is just stunning. And again, use it over a stencil, apply it with a paintbrush over any other product, add little touches to your cards and tags, and you'll get this magical unicorn paste effect. Now this product is going to be available at Scrapbook.com. Look for Finnabair Unicorn Paste by Prima.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2019 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is a life handmade.